we are going to learn about operators. So what is operators? Basically operators are nothing but दो variables पे we are performing some kind of calculation or some action, and then it is giving us a result. Okay? So इसको categorize कर सकते हैं हम लोग, जैसे मैथ्स में आपने पढ़ा होगा, okay? Arithmetic operators. Okay? You have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have now with us modulus as well. Okay, modulus है हमारे पास, इसे modulus कहते हैं. परसेंटेज साइन को क्या कहते हैं? Modulus. ये आपको क्या देगा? It will give you remainder of the division. Okay, it will give you remainder of the division. This is going to give you quotient of the remainder. Oh, sorry, quotient of the division. Quotient of the division. Okay, and then we have double asterisk sign. Okay? Double asterisk sign. ये आपको देगा exponential form. Okay, so I'll explain you that also. And then we have double slash, that will give you floor division. Okay, floor division. So I'll explain you one by one each and everything. Okay. So let's take a variable. I'll say number 1 equals 12, comma, or you can say over here itself only, comma, number 2, and over here 12 and 15. So number 1 is 12 and number 2 is 15. These are two different numbers or two different variables having two different values. So अगर मैं addition देखूं, okay, so initially addition. So addition कैसे होगा? Number 1 plus number 2. Okay, और ये हम लोग स्टोर कर लेते हैं add में. Okay, add is and print add. Okay, print. Let's run this. So it should print 27. So it is just adding. Similarly, subtraction. We have subtraction. SUB. This name you can give any name. Okay, add, sub. You can give any name over here. I'm just giving a proper name so that you can relate to it. Okay. So print SUB. That's it. And run this. Minus 3. Okay, because 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Then we have this multiplication. Okay. So we'll say multiplication. So I'll say MUL is equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2. And then print it. Okay. So print MUL. That's it. Run it. So you have 180. So it is multiplied and it is giving you 180. Now comes division sign. Okay, so let's say division. Okay. Division. And we'll say div equals number 1 again, and then division sign, then number 2. So this is going to give you the, okay, this is going to give you quotient. Okay, so I think 12 divided by 15, 12 ones are 12. Okay, so 0.8. Okay, 0.8. 0.8 is the answer. So it's the quotient. Okay, there has to be a remainder also. So you will say quotient, okay, division, and then we have, okay, division remainder. So I'll say REM equals number 1 modulus sign number 2, and then print REM and run this. So remainder is 12. Definitely 12 0 something. Okay, 12.8 something. would be giving you some result, and then you are getting the remainder as 12. Number 1 is 12 and number 2 is 15. Okay, just try in the calculator and you should get the answer something like this. Okay. This is remainder. And then you have asterisk sign. So what I do is I'll keep this instead of 15, I will make it as 3. So let's do this way. So 12 divided by 3. So I should get a proper answer. So see, 3 4s are 12. So 4 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. That way. Now if I say exponential form, okay, exponential form. So in this, I'll say ext is equal to number 1 double asterisk, okay, double asterisk, and then number 2, and let's print it. Okay, exponential. So what I want to say is 12 raised to 3. Okay, exponential is raised to. So 12 raised to 3. So 12 into 12 into 12. Okay, that way. So 12 into 12 is 144. 144 into 12 is 1728. So that is exponential. Okay, say for example, instead of number I say 2. So it should give me 8 as the answer, right? 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this is standing for exponential, 2 raised to 3. Okay, raised to. Okay, it's read like 2 raised to 3, something like this. So this is exponential form. Then we have floor division. So floor division. So let's say FD, okay, is equal to, I'll say 15 floor division 8. Okay, let's see and print. I'll take bigger value. Okay, I'll take bigger value, and I'll take again this bigger value, and then print FD. Okay, so it is giving me 186, 18761. Okay, so if I use my calculator, okay, I use my calculator, and what I have written, so what I have written, 15234 and then I'm just using simple division sign, divide by 812, enter. So it gives me 18761.482 something, but the floor division is giving me 18761 up till this part. Okay, so basically it is rounding off. If there would be 5 or more than 5 value, then it would have rounded off to 18762, something like that. Okay, so it is a floor division. It is going to the floor level. Okay, so there is a ceiling and a floor. Ceiling means to the higher side. Floor division means to a lower side. So it is going to a, okay, it is going to a lower side. That way. Okay, so this is floor division. So all these are nothing but, you can say, I'll take a less number also, like 15 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14, right? That. So 7 should be the answer. 7 is a lower value, floor division, right? So this is how you can use these arithmetic operators, okay, in your calculation. In whenever we write programs, okay, and we need to do some calculation, we can use any of them. It's a simple mathematical calculation, and it's not only like we can use only floor division or exponential at a single time. I can have this way also. Okay, I can write this way also, right? And plus 4, something like this. I can make an expression the way we write in maths. The same way you can write it over here as well. You can make an expression. Okay, So you can use multiple operators, arithmetic operators combined. So these are arithmetic operators, guys, used for arithmetic calculation. Okay, mathematical calculations. Then we have, okay, then we have relational operators. Relational operators. So let me say so relational operators. It comprises of less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, and yeah, not equal to as well. Equals and not equals. So equals and not equal. It is very much similar to Java. Okay, less than sign, greater than. Right now we have used, okay, in one of our programs where we compare product price. Okay, so I'll say product one price, it, and I'll say comma product two price. Okay, and I'll say first product price is 15 and the other one is 43. So product one price is 15 and product two price is 43. I'll say product one price is greater than product two price. So what it should give you? So relational operators will always give you result in Boolean, isn't it? Either the result is true or false, right? If the result is true or false. So if product one price is greater than product two price or not, that is how it checks. Okay. So I can say I can use another variable and store things in it. Okay, and I will print the value what it prints. Okay. So C1, that's it. Let's run this. So currently it is not greater, so it's going to give me false. What if I say less than sign? Then it should give me true as the answer. True as the answer. Similarly, equals, so they are not equal right now, right? 43 is not equal to 15. So again it will give me false. So false as answer. So what if I write not equal to? So 43 is not equal to 15. So true. So this is how you can use your, okay, relational operators. It will always give you result in Boolean. Okay, that is true or false. Either true or false. Okay, so these are relational operators. Then comes your logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators basically comprise of and, or, not. Okay, and or not. In Java we use and as like this, but in case of Python we use and or not. Okay, this way. So these logical operators, when do we use? When we have multiple conditions. Like this is one condition, but say for example if we have multiple conditions, then we have to use this logical operators. Okay, that's it. So let's say I'll say I'll write down what example I can give over here. So for example, product one. Okay, let's say product one price is greater than 10. This is one condition. Currently it is true because 15 is greater than 10. So this condition is true. I will say and product 2 price is greater than product 1 price. So this condition is also true. So if both the conditions are true, then the end result, okay, end result will also be true. result will also be true. Why? Because this and this, and when it comes and, it has to be, both has to be true, then only it will be, the entire result, end result will be true. Like when I say I want ice cream and chocolate, so what I want to say, I want both. I want ice cream and chocolate. So that means I want both the things. Okay, if I'm getting only one thing, then I won't be happy, right? Something like that. So if you run this, okay, so it's going to give you true as the answer because both the conditions are true. What if one condition is false? So I have made this condition as true, but this condition is false, right? So this and this, so true and false will result to false in case of and. In case of and. So in case of and, both the conditions should be true, then only your end result will be true. Okay, I will say both condition needs to be true to give end result as true, right? Both the condition needs to be true. Whereas in case of or, okay, in case of or, what happens? Any one condition, okay, any one condition is true, it will give end result as true. In case of not, it is just opposite. Okay, true will become true will become false, and false will become true, right? So let's change this and to or. So what happens over here, guys? What happens? This condition is true. Product 1 price is greater than 10. That's true. But this condition is false. So what I'm saying, any one condition is true, and result will be true. Right? So let's run this. So either of the condition, if it is true, then the end result, okay, the end result of this evaluation will be true and will be stored over here. We are just displaying this. What if I make it not? Okay, not will not what it will do? It will make true to false. So this condition right now this is true. This condition evaluation true, right? 15 is stored in product one price. 15 is greater than 10. True. I will make not. I will add not in front of it. Not. So what it will do? It will make this condition is false. Okay, this overall will be evaluated to false. Now false and false. So end result is false. In case of or, at least one condition has to be true. But right now we are making both them false. Both of the condition is false. So instead of true, it will be false. See, false. So this is how you can use these operators. These are called as logical operators. Okay, these are called as logical operators. I hope this is clear, guys. Okay, so these are three important areas as part of operators. Okay, let me copy this. Area, this is one area, arithmetic operators. Then we have
सर वो लास्ट वाला फॉल्स कैसे हुआ आपने में नॉट लिखा है ना
so this condition I have made false. Na? See, if I
पहली
don't
कंडीशन
write,
तो ट्रू ही है ना
but if I write not against it, so it will reverse, right? True will become
हाँ,
false. So whatever
तो
condition evaluates, okay, if it evaluates to true, then it will. अगर मैंने उसके सामने not रखा है, तो वो false हो जाएगा ना?
तो फॉल्स फॉल्स आना चाहिए ना।
हाँ तो फॉल्स और फॉल्स, तो फॉल्स ही होगा ना आंसर।
तो ये आंसर में ट्रू फॉल्स क्यों आ रहा है?
ये तो पहले का है राइट, ये तो इसका है, ये प्रिंट किया ना मैंने, उसका आंसर है, उसको कमेंट
अच्छा,
करिए।
ओके।
उसका 38 लाइन का आंसर, हमारा आंसर ये है फॉल्स।
ओके ओके।
If I comment that, you will not get confused. If I run this, see, false. Understood now?
हाँ, यस।
So these are three logical operators, and these are three different types of operators: arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. So this completes our topic related to operators. There are other operators as well, like identity and membership operator, but that we will understand later on once we go ahead with for loop and if else. Okay, we'll understand that, then we'll go with those operators. Okay? Right now we will stick to these things only. Okay? So completing that, ending the session.